Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi emva kokutholakala kwentando yabantu kwakufanele yonke imfundo iqalwe phansi.
We should have started with early childhood development. Universal early childhood development should have started 30 years ago.
Kumqoka ukungenisa izingane ezinkulisa.
Our immediate focus is to extend access to early childhood development to every child. It is one of the most powerful levers that we have as a nation to unlock the potential of our future.
Ukutshala imali eyinkulisa kuyalekelela ekufuleni umnotho wezwe.
Studies have shown that every rand spent on early childhood education can save up to 7 rands in future costs associated with remedial education, social services, as well as criminal justice.
Likhulu ke negebe phakathi kweingane ezibuya ezikoleni zabaphila kahle kunalezo ezibuya emphakathini wabaswele.
In South Africa, we have nearly 7 children between the ages 0 to 5, and the truth is a lot of them are not getting what they need. Around 1.3 million children in South Africa between the ages of 3 and 5 are not attending any form of ECD program. The children who are not attending ECD program are found mostly in poorer communities.
Manje ke kumqoka ukuthi uhulumeni usebenzisane nomkhakha wabayimele nomphakathi ukubhekana nalolu daba.
By 2030, we want every child in South Africa to have access to quality early learning. But let me be clear, this goal is not about just doing more of the same. It's not about simply throwing money or resources at the problem that's already at the system that's already under strain. No, it's about doing something impactful, something meaningful, something transformative. And it's about thinking the way in which we deliver ECD.
Lengquthela ibandakanya ubuholi bukahulumeni, amabhizinisi, abomkhakha ozimele, ezemfundo nezinhlangano zomphakathi, kanti kuhloswe ngayo ukwakha amasu ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izingane eziningi ziyangena kuma early childhood development centers izinkulisa.